Hi guys, this is Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare Japanese cucumber salad, known also as Sunomono in Japanese, of course. And for that, I'm going to use today 4 cucumbers. I have sliced already 2 here, and I'm going to show you with the other 2. About 60 grams of wakame seaweed. If you have dry, you will need to soak them in water for 5 minutes or so. Mine are raw but full with salt, so also I'm going to add some cold water and let them sit for a while. I'm going to wash the salt off. Now the cucumbers, you can leave them with the skin on, or you can remove the skin. You can peel the skin from spot to spot to make a nice pattern, but it's up to you if you want to do that or not. Okay, now you slice the cucumbers finely. After I finish slicing the cucumbers, I'm going to sprinkle them with some salt. And gently rub them a little. And then let them sit while I wash off the salt of the wakame seaweed. They need to sit for a while so they can release the water. Now, I'm gonna squeeze the seaweed very well. Actually, the amount of seaweed, it's up to you, depending on the quantity you want to cook. Now I'm going to cut it. While the cucumbers sit with the salt, I'm going to prepare the seasoning. And in a different bowl, I'm going to add some rice vinegar, sugar, I am going to stir this to help the sugar dissolve. If the vinegar tastes too strong for you, add some water or a little bit of dashi. You won't need much, just a little bit. But as always, please adjust the taste to your own liking. Some soy sauce. And some people like to add here a pinch of salt. I don't usually do that because I have already salted the cucumbers and I consider that's enough salt. Now I am going to squeeze the cucumbers. Squeeze the water very well. They are still releasing a lot of water. Okay, now this is the amount of water released by the cucumbers, and here I'm going to add the wakame seaweed, and of course the dressing. And now I'm going to toss everything together here. And actually, it's the classic way of this salad. All you have to do is just chill it for a while in the fridge and then divide it in serving bowls. For a variation, for color and nutritious value, you can add here some crab meat, even fake one will do. You can just break it in strips like this. Also, you can add boiled octopus, known as sashimi octopus, or baby anchovies, boiled and salted, or you can leave it as it is. I arranged the cucumber salad in serving dishes. This is the classic version, and this is with some crab meat. When serving, you can sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on the top. And that's it. A very easy recipe, ready in about 15 minutes together with a prepping time. A very healthy, refreshing, and easy salad. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Bye!